Hello, my name is Dr. Tim Kamerman, and welcome to the Ultimate Wellness class. It's going to be a short version of my hour class. This was something that started about 2 years ago when I read this fellow's book, Manfred von Ardeen. It sent me on a 2-year journey of putting information together so I could bring the best of the best to you. So one of the things that you're going to have to understand today is that the choices you make today are going to impact you tomorrow. And so we're going to help you navigate through your health condition. And so as we do that, we're going to have several different tests that we're going to monitor you with. We're going to use HRV, which is heart rate variability. It gives us a health score. And what I sometimes say is 1-1 is Michael Phelps on a good day, the Olympic swimmer. And if you're at 13.7, you're struggling, you're in trouble, you've got the worst score. We many times do BIA, body impedance analysis, in our office. And what that does is it looks at the different fluid ratios in the body. It's an excellent way to look at how healthy the body is. It gives us something called phase angle, and I just call that the battery charge. It tells us really what your health status is. And then we have Vendes, which is a measurement of the cells that we're going to talk about here briefly, the endothelial cells. It's the little cells in the capillaries. And what Manfred von Ardeen said was, and he did 150 different studies, but what he showed was there is a switching mechanism in your vascular system. And this switching mechanism can be improved or it can be not improved based on what we do. So what we're doing is we are bringing to Chiropractic Care Clinic technology that's based on von Ardeen's work. What we're going to do is we're going to change that vascular switching. And basically, your blood carries everything. In fact, Scripture says life is in the blood. Blood has to have the following things to deliver health: water, oxygen, nutrition, and voltage. If you don't have those things in sufficient quantities, tissues die, conditions occur. And so when you look at all these different conditions that are listed, dementia, neuropathy, PTSD, fibromyalgia, post-stroke syndrome, chronic inflammation and pain, brain fog, insomnia, impotence, male and female, all these things have one central thing in common. It's oxygen cellular dysfunction. Well, what does that mean? Low oxygen in the cells. So what von Ardeen was talking about is if you don't have this vascular switch, you're going to have low oxygen. That is important for brain, for heart, for neuropathy with the feet. Low oxygen is caused by poor cell metabolism. We're going to change that by doing the work that Dr. von Ardeen did with upgraded technology that we have today with computers. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use other technology, the biocharger, which is based on some of the work of Dr. Tennant. And Dr. Tennant found that if you don't have the proper voltage, you can be eating good foods, you can be drinking water, you can be exercising, but if the voltage is not there in the cells, you don't heal properly. So we're going to be helping you with that as well. This basically is the solution that you see on the screen here. With water, oxygen, nutrition, and voltage, we're going to get that into the body through nutrition that's designed to promote energy and healing. We're going to need vitamins and minerals and antioxidants and essential fatty acids like fish oils and flaxseed oil. We're going to do adjustments to remove nerve interference. We'll do biocranial therapy, which will remove stress on the body. We've been doing neurofeedback in our office for a number of years. That helps us to retrain the brain waves. And then, of course, we're going to do the voltage therapy by using data that was based on Tesla and Rife and Likovsky. So very excited about that. And then lastly, we're going to do the vascular switching techniques that von Ardeen studied. Here's the cool thing. In 33 years, I've never done this. We're going to give you a 30-day money-back guarantee for the first 30 people that sign up for the program. I'm so confident that with the program that we're putting forth, you're going to see huge changes in your health. If not, you get your money back. So you have everything to gain and very little to lose. The way we're going to monitor that is with the body impedance analysis, the HRV, and the Vendes. So we're going to measure you before and after to see if there is a significant change. And of course, with change in those numbers means you're going to be feeling a whole lot better. So it's your choice, yes or no. If you trust the methods, you feel you're worth it, and you want to take the challenge, it's as simple as that, yes or no. Thank you so much for listening to this. If you have some questions, call our office at 501-268-2273, 268-2273, and we'll get you set up for some testing to see if you're a good candidate.